night gym either.
Good morning. Right now it's almost 6 a.m. We woke up at 5:20 and we're preparing for a flight.
Yeah, and now we'll go to reception because we still don't know the conditions in the mountains. We don't know if the helicopter will be able to fly. So let's go there and check it out. I think this doors locking and unlocking was the hardest thing that we will face today. Okay, so let's check how it looks. Pokhara street and 6 a.m. in the morning. Quiet, almost quiet. Yeah, not much going on here. Car arrived. I think we'll go with that white one. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so I have to guess for the helicopter.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You do.
Okay, $600. $100 around they have paid here. $500. $500 plus 4% you pay.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, sir. Come. Today is great weather, you see?
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
first time we can see a mountain. Look, the white.
Yeah. Right?
May I have your passport, please?
Yes.
Okay. Then come. Madam, come.
That's all you need to know about trip. It's one page. Yeah, so they checked us, but without line. So VIP again. They didn't found your knives and
I would love that the security would be that tight in
Yeah.
every airport.
Yeah. Looks that some training going on here. Maybe they're preparing for some ultramarathon or whatever. Linus, I think it's our helicopters.
Yeah,
I will take that one.
yeah. It's preparing.
But it would be interesting to fly with this machine.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, but view today, like yesterday we arrived and it was like still
Cloudy, misty, and so on. But today,
yeah, like totally different. Like I saw those white peaks. It's amazing.
yeah, people, the guy said that the weather like this gets only on September or on sometimes until December, but we're lucky to see this kind of a view today on the April 2nd.
Yeah.
Yeah, should I?
Different group को जाँदाखेरि त्यो मिलाएको एउटा विन्डो सिटहरू होला चेन्ज
Okay.
Linus, you will be pilot?
Oh, no.
No, I thought something wrong. Okay,
But we will be pilots.
okay, thank you.
Okay, right.
To copy it, ma'am. We'll start after 3 minutes.
No, I think we should go here. Let's go. I don't dare you. I think we're arriving at that point where we can look.
Yeah. So what's the height here? 4 kilometers or?
Something like that, I think. Something like that.
So just in what 10 minutes we got up to from 800 meters to 4 kilometers or?
Yep.
So it really feels.
Yeah.
Really feels.
You know, I would like that my grave would be like here.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should go like there. Look. What a view.
Holy shit. Wow.
I'm kind of speechless. I don't know what to say. Just amazing.
It looks like science fiction for me.
Yeah.
It's like Dune in you know. I don't know. It's
But imagine what the feeling should be if you're walking here and you
Yeah.
like manage to go here by your feet.
well, you're tired, you're hungry, and you're thinking, what the hell?
But you can appreciate everything. We need the light.
Oh yeah. Sadly, we kept all our lighters in the airport.
What?
I hope they will give us back.
Okay, I think that there is the best spot. We should go there and take some pictures.
Okay.
Look, there's like frozen lake or river. Would like to swim there. Would be nice. Okay. So will be our turn to go to the best
There's a
place.
little joke that you mentioned that it's so breathtaking, but it's we're very high at the moment.
Yeah.
And it's hard to breathe now. But wow, and the sun is so softly warm.
But imagine if you have here like 3 days and you just coming here, resting, then you eating, drinking tea and enjoying the view all day. Imagine. Like you really need to go to the mountains for a longer period of time.
Yeah.
Do you guys have ladder? No, you guys don't have
No,
ladder.
we don't have.
Oh, saddle. It's only 9 minutes.
Yeah, he's calling you.
Yeah, but only 9 minutes now.
I have no idea why he's calling.
Yeah, they're calling us, we don't know why. It's only 9 minutes.
Probably they need to fix the helicopter and they need us help.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going back to helicopter. It's amazing, very interesting, very beautiful, a little bit maybe short.
The hardest peak in the world, okay?
Okay.
One of the hardest peak to climb up. That one is a fishtail.
Oh,
That one
that's
is a
fishtail.
that one is a fishtail. That one is a Gandharva peak.
Which one is the fishtail?
That one there.
That
The
one.
sharp thing.
That one. Okay, okay.
And that one is Annapurna 4. We can see that one from Pokhara. That one we can see from Pokhara.
Okay.
People try to climb up from other side. There's
Yeah, we don't see anyone
Annapurna not
climbing,
this.
yeah? This is
No,
not the
there are so
approach.
many people trying to climb from other side of this mountain.
Oh, the approach is the other side.
Other side,
not
the
from
other side.
this side.
From this side is very hard.
Okay.
So many people have been died trying to climb up from this side. You know, last time 3 Korean were buried because of the avalanches. You know,
Yeah.
and they vanished. Still, the body was not found. Another one was died over there. And, after 1 year, the body was found.
Yeah,
Another 7
apparently
Korean were died
This is the most difficult.
close to Deorali, down there. This time of year, you have to be very careful because a lot of snow, a lot of snowfall. Now you gotta careful of the avalanches. Okay, already 26 minutes. I don't on the clock.
Alright, so our tour here is finished and we're flying back. Oh, wait a second.
Never been in Tata before. Probably, or maybe bus. But like in this kind of Tata, whatever. Yeah, bus was Tata.
We need to get back our light.
I left 4 mile lighters. Yeah.
So basically VIP experience is over.
Yeah.
Hunt for lighters. Okay, so now we paid like $700. So subscribe, smash the like button, comment. We need you. We need money for YouTube. So do that, please.
Yeah, they charged a lot. So if you want to get some content like this, yeah, we need all those money.
Yeah. So subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.
Little.
Yeah, little.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a good
Bye.
day. Bye.
Let's go. I need some massive breakfast from 2 eggs, 1 toast and 1 sausage.
I think we will take some extra.
That's the roof of our hotel.
Yeah.
We'll eat here. There's the view.
There's the lake.
Oh, wow.
There are mountains.
Look at the lake. Kind of enjoyable view if
Yeah.
you're looking further, because you can experience both worlds.
Yeah, oh, they have little flags. That's nice. Okay, let's see.
We ordered breakfast, and yeah, probably we will end this video now because it's already very long. So that was kind of experience.
Yeah, that was experience. I would definitely recommend for you to go with a helicopter. I cannot compare the trekking, you know, which takes at least 5 days. If you have opportunity to use the helicopter, you have to use it. Like, it's incredible experience. You feel like you're flying in some kind of an insect or something like that. So yeah,
Massive cockroaches.
as always, don't forget, check our Instagram profile G and Lina for more frequent content. And yeah, that's it from me.
Yeah, subscribe, like. It's only first day in Pokhara, so there's going to be a lot of videos with different interesting activities, so stay tuned, and we will go to eat our breakfast. Bye.
Cheers.
Or breakfast after a legendary flight.